Hey guys, I'm down here in the garden today, getting ready to plant me a turnip patch. But the ground's a little hard, so we'll have to take the tractor, I guess, and try to tear it up a little bit. I hadn't got the right equipment on the tractor, but I'll make it work somehow. I got the tractor charging over here. As soon as I get it cranked, I'll show you what I'm going to do there. And then I'm going to plant me some turnips. Let me show you. When I get back here in a little bit, I'll show you what kind of turnips I'm planting. It's mixed salad. Where are you going with that? Elvis? If you haven't seen many of my garden videos lately, you'll notice I have a new addition to my family. Elvis, most people, I know most of you guys have saw him, but this is Elvis. This is Elvis. And right now, he's going to help me out by chewing on a stick. Elvis's friend too. Now let me get on this tractor and see if I can't do something to this garden. Happy dog, happy dog, happy dog. All right, guys, that's what I was trying to do right there. Just skin it up a little bit. Just enough to loosen the soil up so the seeds will come up for my turnip garden. Next, I got one more thing. I want to smooth it out a little bit. Kind of rough looking. It's a lot of chopped up grass and stuff in here, but that's good organic matter. Sort of light work, especially with this thing. Here's what I'm using. I bought it from Southern States. It's garden greens mixed. It's got kale, dwarf Siberian, mustard, giant southern curled, 7 top, purple top, a globe, bunch of different kinds. That's a pretty good bag. See how little those seeds are? They are teeny seeds. Let's see, that's 4 ounces. 4 ounces of seed. Now let me get the stuff to mix it with. Where are you going, Elvis? Don't, Elvis, you can't read the chat here. I'm sorry. There's no chat. It's a video. It's a video. He's still learning, guys. He's still learning. This is ground oyster shells. And 10. That's what it is. And all that is a carrier. Now I'm going to put my seeds in here. And mix my seeds up. And spread it out. I almost forgot. The other thing in there was oyster shells. The oyster shells are a little bigger and they're full of calcium. Calcium's pretty good for the ground. It's all natural, so I'll put the oyster shells in there too with some 10-10-10 in the seed. Now, that's my turnip patch, guys. And that's how I do it. It took a little work, but it's not too hard. Now I'll need some rain, get it to come up. It's the right time. The middle of March is perfect, you know, here in North Carolina. So thank you guys. I appreciate you watching the video. Make sure you click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to Pickle Rick 2, please check out the link below. There's a radio show there almost every night. Until we meet again, have a good day.